This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta, down here at our Jackson, Georgia location. This is a 2027 Peterbilt 589. It's in North Seas gray. It's a 72-inch flat top. Has a 131-inch long hood. It's 272-inch wheelbase. It's got a 13,200 pound capacity steer axle on air ride. Our DEF tank is 24 gallons, the polished stainless cover. This fuel tank is 110 gallons. It's all polished up. Got our frame mounted toolbox over here. Inside the bunk, we've got our 1800 watt inverter, safety triangles, fire extinguisher, tow pins. She's riding around on 11R24.5s, polished Peterbilt aluminum wheels. It's got 40,000 pound rear suspension. It's a low air leaf, 336 gears, full locking differentials. Got our aluminum low lube fifth wheel. Over here we've got another frame mounted toolbox, 150 gallon fuel tank. We've added chicken lights up here underneath the cab. Got some behind the air cleaner. Also put some in front. It's got 4 roof mounted air horns, heated and motorized mirrors. We've got our LED headlight pods, stainless rock guards, chrome Texas style bumper. And let's take a look under the hood. Under the hood we've got our Cummins X15. It's 565 horse, 2050 torque. In behind that we've got our 18-speed manual transmission. See the airbags down there for air ride front suspension. Take a look inside. This truck's pretty loaded up. We've got our platinum interior, air ride leather seats on both sides, a battery disconnect switch down here next to the driver's seat, multi-function leather wrapped steering wheel. This truck has a 7-inch infotainment center with Apple Carplay. Got our pull-out work tray over here on the passenger side and the dash. And sleeper. Got a 1.8 cubic foot refrigerator. Storage over here. Unit in Bearcat CB radio mounted in the center of the header up there. So if you could use it, give me a call, 706-372-4698.